Hello my handpan friends, welcome to the Handpan School. Today I want to show you another Amara 20 tutorial. This song called Reverie and is a cover from Jan van Berkel. I got this request from a user and I'm happy that I'm able to do this for the user. And hopefully you enjoy it, and let us start. Okay, let us check out part 1. We're starting with our first chord and we have here the E3 and G4. Then we have the D3 and D4. And the last one is the C3 and E4. Okay, now let us check out the pattern what we want to play on those chords. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Okay, let us play again the chords and pattern, but this time we will add, when we switch to the next chord, a note between the switch, so as a transition. For the first transition we're using the A4. For the second transition, we're using the G4. For the third transition, we will be using the F#4 and the G4 again. After that, we will end up on the F#4 and D3 chord, and we'll continue with our pattern and we'll play again the G4 as a transition. Okay, now let us play the whole part 1 together. Okay, then let us check out the chords for part 2. We have the B3 and G3, then we have the D4 and A3, then we have the E4 and C3, and the last chord is the F#4 and the D3. Okay, for part 2 we have a new transition pattern, so let me show it. So we play the G4 Then we have the B4, and in the end we have the A4. Okay, after that we will ending up on the A3 and D4 chord, and we play the D4 3 times. After that we play the F sharp 4 and G4 as a transition. Okay, then we will end up on the E4 and C3 chord. And then we will play the same pattern what we already know, together, right, left, right. So after that we will play again the F sharp 4 and G4 as a transition. After this transition we will ending up on the F sharp 4 and D3. And then we will play our standard pattern together, left, right, left. Okay, now let us play the whole part 2 together. Okay, now let us check out the chords for part 3. Okay, we have the G3 and G5. Then we have the F sharp 5 and A3. Then we have the C3 and E5. And in the end we have the F sharp 5 and D3. Now let us check out the notes for our transition. And we have the G4, the B4, and in the end the A4. Okay, and with these notes we will play this pattern. After the transition we will play another hit on the A5, and then we will ending up on the F sharp 5 and A3. So after that we will play the same thing, just we use different notes. This time we use as a chord the E5 and C3. Instead of the A5 we will play the G5. So on the E5 and C3 we will play the same pattern what we already know. So we play together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. In our next transition, we will be using the F#5 and G5. Then we will end up on the F#5 and D3, and we play the same pattern together, left, right, left. Then we will play another hit on the G5. Okay, now let us play part 3 together. So this was the tutorial for Reverie. Hopefully you like it. And if you want to support me, because my big dream is to create the Berlin Handpan School and to make other videos, so I need your support. Please subscribe here, and then I can produce more videos and also in a better quality. Thank you for watching and see you soon.